Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are okay. So we are currently at the Bristol airport. So we were supposed to fly at around 9 o'clock today going to Dublin. But our flight with Ryanair got delayed, so we didn't really get much information.
This is a final call for all remaining passengers travelling with Blue Islands on flight SI 4479.
So we were supposed to fly to Dublin earlier at around 9:15. But when we were at the gate around 8:30, they told us to leave the gate and our flight is delayed and it will be rescheduled. So we didn't really get much information after that, so we were just waiting. So I tried to contact Ryanair, but it wasn't really very helpful, and there's no ground crew to actually tell us what was happening. So yeah, we're stuck here. So we're supposed to get information at around 11:30 for any flight updates, but we didn't get anything. So we were told to look at the Ryanair app for the assistance thing to get the food and drink voucher, but even that one is not working. It says there that we're still boarding for the flight, so not a good start for our holiday. Stay tuned. I'll keep you updated when we actually get into the flight and into Dublin. So see you guys in a bit. Okay, another flight update. So we are now at the gate. It's 12:45 at the moment, but there's no plane, so we're just gonna wait at the gate, I guess. So our flight is supposed to be 1:20, and we still got time, and the plane still has time to arrive before our flight. So this is gonna be a very quick turnaround, so stay tuned guys. Hopefully we will reach Dublin and hopefully our flight doesn't get cancelled, because otherwise it's gonna be a very disappointing day and very annoying holiday. So see you guys in a bit.
Eventually.
Okay, so we're finally here in Dublin. The flight was very short, but it felt very long. It's now 3:10 in the afternoon, so it's almost time for checking in our hotel. So we're gonna go straight into our hotel and then try to explore Dublin a bit. It's a bit drizzly at the moment, so hopefully it doesn't rain. So see you guys in a bit. So we're now in our hotel. We are in our room, so let's do a room tour. This is our room. Very chic. Very small. View of the street. So we got a corner room and then a shower. Oh. So yeah, this is our room. So I think we're just gonna rest for a bit and then we're gonna head out, try to explore Dublin, well, the city or the areas around. It's gonna be a lot of walking today, and we need to be fast because it's also raining. Slightly raining, and we have a lot of places to see, or we need to see before they all close. So let's go. Okay, so behind me is the Christ Church Cathedral. So it is Dublin's oldest building, and it also has this archway here. So it's almost the same as the Bridge of Sighs in where is it? Venice. So yeah, so we're just gonna explore on the area. We need to walk very fast because it's already half past 4. And it's raining intermittently, so at the moment it's only drizzling. So let's go explore. So that is the Christ Church Cathedral. I think they just had a mass or something, but you have to pay to get in. So it's 10.50 euros for adults and £9 euros for students.
This area seems really nicely presented, doesn't it? It seems like recently refurbished, the ground, and the garden area is nice.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, so we are now here at St. Patrick's Park. So I guess this is St. Patrick's Cathedral. So the park is very green. It looks very, very green. I guess because of all the rainfall that they're getting. But it's also a bit quiet. And also the cathedral looks like it's closed. But then again, we arrived late, so let's go explore the area. And maybe the cathedral is open. Maybe we can go inside, so let's go. That's St. Patrick's Cathedral. And it looks like they're just opening, and also there's a big queue outside, so we're gonna skip it and move to the next one, because according to Mike, we've seen too many churches and cathedrals already. So
we've seen it from the outside, which is nice.
We've seen it from the outside, which is nice, so that's more than enough. So okay, so we are now here at St. Stephen's Park. So this park is 22 acres big, so it's very big considering it's in the middle of the city. And it's also built from 1877, so it's very old and massive park in the middle of the city.
We can't sit down.
Okay, so that's St. Stephen's Green. It's a very massive park.
Really nice, wasn't it? Lots of woodland area. Ponds.
Yeah, we need to find shelter. It's starting to rain again. So let's go explore. Okay, so we are now at the Trinity College Dublin. So this campus has or is 19 hectares big. It's another big campus, and also the Book of Kells is here. So one of those famous books and amazing library is here as well, that gives you that Harry Potter vibes. So it's over that building there. But unfortunately, when we were trying to book it, it was sold out already. Like, it gets sold out very easily. So I guess we won't be able to get inside again. So even in the last like 2 times I've been here, I still haven't been able to go inside because it's always fully booked or sold out. So yeah, this college, it has a lot of Georgian design architecture buildings, and it's very beautiful. So let's go explore around the area. So yeah, if you're planning to go and visit and see the Book of Kells, you have to book like really in advance to get a ticket to be able to go inside. I'm not sure, sometimes you can buy, last time I was here you can queue to buy the ticket outside, but the queue was very long, so still didn't manage to do anything. Okay, so that was the Trinity College Dublin. It's a bit quiet actually. Well, it's school holidays, plus it's raining, plus it's like around 5 o'clock now, something, 5 something. So we are now going to the Temple Bar area, or like the pubs area, to maybe find somewhere to eat and drink maybe, or
Pick up a pint of Guinness.
yeah, pick up a pint of Guinness and yeah, maybe get drunk. But actually I'm hungry. We haven't had anything to eat since earlier. So the brunch. Okay, so we're here near the Temple Bar. Actually, we're at the Temple Bar. It's very lively, this area. Well, outside the Temple Bar, this area is very lively. It's very busy actually. So there's a lot of bars and pubs in this area, restaurants and cafes as well. So this is the famous pub, the Temple Bar. I actually forgot why it's famous and why it's iconic, but here you go. So I was here like a few years ago as well, so I went inside, got a drink, and what else you're gonna do? So let's go and explore what's inside and maybe get a drink.
It's one less than two. What you did. Right, we're gonna go once more. And it's no later. I've been away over from an easy year, and I spent all my money on whiskey and beer.
Okay, we couldn't go inside or stay inside. It's very full, it's very busy, it's very loud. There's a live band playing at the moment, and the queue for the bar is very long as well. So I guess we're gonna try next time. I mean, after we have 2 more days here, so there's always another day to try and go inside there and try one of their beers or lager and get the whole experience being inside the Temple Bar. But yeah, amazing. So what do you think?
What? Which bit?
The Temple Bar.
Yeah, it's good. The music was good. What we could hear from where we were.
Yeah.
It was very packed in there.
Very packed and very
Good atmosphere.
good atmosphere. Everyone's enjoying the live music. Everyone's drinking. Okay, so we just had our dinner at Porterhouse. It was very quirky inside. There's like very loud music, and they have a selection of very old beers and lagers in there. It's a very enjoyable experience. They're supposed to have a live band tonight, but I guess we're still very early. It's only 7 o'clock, and I couldn't really do any vlog inside because they're playing very loud music, so I might get copyrighted. So unfortunately we couldn't go inside the castle because the castle grounds are closed now. So yeah, unfortunately I won't be able to show you guys what it's like inside, but although I haven't really been inside the castle, but I just like explored around like the ground. So Temple Bar has the largest whiskey collection. They have around 450 different types of whiskey in there, and also it's a very old bar, so that's why it's famous around here in Dublin. So it's also a very famous tourist attraction as well. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video here, guys. I know I haven't showed you around Dublin that much, but we are gonna have an early start tomorrow because of our day trip. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, which is Cowell_Chan, and on my Facebook page, which is Cowell_Travels. Hit that subscribe button and the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload the videos. Thank you for watching and see you on our next adventure. Bye!